have the first cover off, and now I need to remove 8 more screws and get the second cover off. And then I'm going to start that process of turning the bike on, letting it run, checking the engine oil level, and then adding more as I need to.
Oh my God, just listen to this, you guys. This is my first time ever on a dual sport. I like how light this one is though, even though it looks like I'm struggling. Way more fun to ride a slow bike fast than it is to ride a fast bike fast. I wonder if the sound quality on the highway is gonna be as shitty as I think it is.
I just ate a banana.
I get very scared of doing new things and trying new things, but I hide it very well. The sand, not the sand. How many gears does it have? Holy crap. It has rear brakes too. Okay, good. Other people better watch out for me because I will not be watching out for them. Don't know how that happened because I was looking up.
Hi. I'm all about being here for a long time and a good time, so I want to make sure that I live to ride when I'm dead.
One girl, where no one has dared to go. You will be terrified. Hang on to your seats.
The 1-footer!
A test of courage. Critics are calling it sensational.
So that didn't go that well. I was just about to start the ride off the $1 million highway and it started to pour down.
Hello and welcome back to Biker Stuff. Today I'm going to install an alloy sump guard to the Mark I Tiger 800.
In every generation there is a chosen one. She alone will stand among the oily rags, the replacement parts and the used tyres. She is Biker Stuff.
See you next time here on Biker Stuff.
Why am I a usual naked sport bike rider on a Harley? I just got back from my first long road trip. I usually ride naked sport bikes. They are my absolute favorite. And my bike is a Triumph Street Triple R 675. I am not a professional racer or an Iron Butt Challenge winner. I commute on my bike, really like a bike to be very nimble and just want to lean in the curves. That's what I go for.
I love it.
Hey guys, it's Saturday, it's sunny, and I need coffee. I don't want to stop, there is nobody coming. Hurry up, you privileged people. But, what was I saying? I don't think my visor was closed. Nope. Now it is. Thought it was pretty drafty in my eye sockets. Are you in shorts? Oh my God. I thought she was in red leggings, but no, that was her skin. That was freaking freezer burn on them chicken legs. I wish I had someone here to come have coffee with me. It's gonna be a little awkward when I'm sitting outside in the sunshine like a lizard all by myself. Coffee.
こんにちはじゃないね。多分日本時間は
んにちは、ルリコです。ただいま私は茨城県にある日本自動車研究所三国峠で写真撮影してます。今日はトライアンフのライディングスクールがね土曜日にあるんで、私はこの川崎の ZX10R に乗っていきたいと思います。初の
I'm in Spain at the Toro Trail base and I'm gonna ride tomorrow.
Hola, ¿cómo están? Mi nombre es Angie Martínez, propietaria de una Kagua 300, soy motociclista, soy de Bogotá.
Siempre le echo extra, pero esta vez voy a echarle corriente y le voy a echar el aditivo.
Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum সবাইকে। আমি সাকিরা সারিন দীপা, ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল সাকিরা সারিন দীপা।
To the sea for a getaway, car top down.
kidnapped. I'm unable to reach this tiptoe. I was just a normal motorcyclist who used to ride without gear, without a helmet, in flip-flops. Hello, auntie. Crow, get out of here now. Hey, you wanna ride a new motorcycle? I was like, hells yeah. Some things are never planned, they just happen to you. Bike with Girl literally just happened to me.
Hi, you are currently being recorded. Hi guys, my name is Sammy. This is my first video on my channel. Well, not my first video, my first actual talking video. Most of my bikes were from auction.
One-handed, folks. One-handed. Looks like there might be a pretty serious water crossing. Oh, shit. I hate water crossing.
தலை லைட்டர் ஆகத்தடா பூ விழுந்துரும் நினைக்கிறேன்.
நம்மளோட டெஸ்டினேஷன் லூதியானா. பாய். கப்பல் கப்பல் பப்பல் சா.
அதுதான் இன்னைக்கு ரைடு. நான் வந்து உங்களை மோட்டோவ்லாக்ஸ்ல பார்க்குறேன். பாய்.
Oh my god, someone is looking really hot. And today, 3rd June 2021 is the day when अपनी bike finally आने वाली है. So the bike जिसकी आज delivery is a Royal Enfield Himalayan BS6 बाइक. मैंने कलर स्पेसिफिकली लिया
Hawaii gravel grey, because grey and pink combination plus neon is our favorite. And oh my god, I'm in love with this bike. It's 11 AM right now. I wanted to complete my sleep and then leave for a ride, but I am going on a ride. So this time it's gonna be more than 5,000 kilometers wali ride. Bye. Bye. With our new motovlogging setup.
I do have the GPR stabilizer, make it a huge difference.
You're not supposed to turn left here? Oh shit, you are right. Dude, I was so funny. I was like, why did he do that? But I get it.
Hoping, praying, manifesting.
Yeah, look at all those chickens.
This wheel color, it's like purple, hate it. It's not it, okay? But it's just not it's not a fucked your dad pink at all.
It's a beautiful day out. Look at this. Look at these, look at those trees, Holly! Those are the most beautiful trees I've ever seen in my life.
I will say, if you ever call my bike purple, don't do it. My boobs are like a f***ing water slide.
Shawty had them apple bottom jeans boots with the fur.
We could do better. We will do better one day.
Собственном доме я и у меня новая жирная свадьба. Я утратила запах дороги назад.
Good morning, Internet. It is 8:30 in the morning and welcome to my channel. Oh, those mountains, that is Afghanistan. All those mountains there.
Have you subscribed to Triple Two Wheels yet? Hey, what are you waiting for? Do it now.